Welcome to another informative episode of Health Basics, your guide to healthier living. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible advantages of a simple daily practice that can transform your health. 40 benefits of drinking garlic water daily. Garlic is a superfood that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Drinking garlic water is an easy way to incorporate this superfood into your daily routine. Let's explore the incredible benefits of drinking garlic water daily. 1. Nutritional value. Garlic water is rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that are essential for your health. 2. Immune system boost. Garlic water can help you fight off infections and diseases by stimulating your immune system and enhancing your natural defenses. 3. Cardiovascular health. Garlic water can lower your blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglycerides, and prevent blood clots, plaque formation, and oxidative stress, thereby improving your heart health and reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. 4. Antimicrobial properties. Garlic water can kill or inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites, and protect you from various infections and diseases. 5. Detoxification. Garlic water can help you flush out toxins and waste products from your body and support your liver and kidney functions. 6. Anti-inflammatory. Garlic water can reduce inflammation and pain in your body and help you cope with conditions such as arthritis, gout, and autoimmune disorders. 7. Improved digestion. Garlic water can improve your digestion and metabolism by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and bile and regulating the movement of food through your intestines. 8. Weight management. Garlic water can help you lose weight and maintain a healthy body mass index, BMI, by boosting your metabolism, suppressing your appetite, and burning fat. 9. Antioxidant power. Garlic water can protect your cells and tissues from oxidative damage and aging by scavenging free radicals and enhancing your antioxidant capacity. 10. Bone health. Garlic water can strengthen your bones and prevent osteoporosis by increasing your bone mineral density and reducing bone resorption. 11. Stress reduction. Garlic water can help you cope with stress and anxiety by modulating your cortisol levels and enhancing your mood. 12. Respiratory health. Garlic water can improve your respiratory health and prevent or treat conditions such as cold, flu, bronchitis, asthma, and allergies by clearing your nasal passages, soothing your throat, and reducing inflammation and mucus production. 13. Improved cognitive function. Garlic water can improve your cognitive function and prevent or delay cognitive decline by enhancing your memory, learning, attention, and problem-solving skills, and protecting your brain from neurodegeneration and dementia. 14. Blood sugar regulation. Garlic water can help you control your blood sugar levels and prevent or manage diabetes by increasing your insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake, and reducing your glycated hemoglobin, HbA1c, levels. 15. Enhanced athletic performance. Garlic water can enhance your athletic performance and endurance by increasing your oxygen delivery, energy production, and muscle strength, and reducing your fatigue and recovery time. 16. Joint health. Garlic water can improve your joint health and mobility by lubricating your joints, reducing inflammation and stiffness, and preventing or slowing down the progression of arthritis. 17. Reduced risk of cancer. Garlic water can reduce your risk of developing various types of cancer by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells, inducing apoptosis, cell death, and modulating your immune system and inflammation. 18. Improved eye health. Garlic water can improve your eye health and vision by protecting your eyes from UV damage, oxidative stress, and infections, and preventing or treating conditions such as cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration. 19. Hormonal balance. Garlic water can help you balance your hormones and prevent or treat hormonal disorders by regulating your thyroid function, estrogen and testosterone levels, and menstrual cycle. 20. Better oral health. Garlic water can improve your oral health and hygiene by killing or preventing the growth of oral bacteria, fungi, and viruses, and preventing or treating conditions such as tooth decay, gum disease, bad breath, and oral thrush. 21. Enhanced longevity. Garlic water can enhance your longevity and quality of life by preventing or delaying the onset of chronic diseases, improving your physical and mental health, and reducing your mortality risk. 22. Enhanced nutrient absorption. Garlic water can enhance your nutrient absorption and utilization by improving your digestion and metabolism and facilitating the transport and delivery of nutrients to your cells and tissues. 23. Balancing gut microbiota. Garlic water can balance your gut microbiota and improve your gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria and inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria, and modulating your immune system and inflammation. 24. Regulated blood circulation. Garlic water can regulate your blood circulation and prevent or treat conditions such as anemia, varicose veins, and Raynaud's disease by increasing your red blood cell count and hemoglobin levels and improving your blood vessel health and function. 25. Alleviation of allergies. Garlic water can alleviate your allergies and reduce your allergic reactions by modulating your immune system and inflammation and inhibiting the release of histamine and other mediators. 26. Improved sleep quality. Garlic water can improve your sleep quality and duration by regulating your circadian rhythm, melatonin levels, and body temperature, and reducing your stress and anxiety. 27. Wound healing. Garlic water can help you heal your wounds faster and prevent infections and scarring by stimulating your blood clotting, tissue regeneration, and collagen synthesis, and killing or inhibiting the growth of microbes. 28. Blood pressure regulation. Garlic water can help you lower your blood pressure and prevent or treat hypertension by relaxing your blood vessels, improving your blood flow, and reducing your renin and angiotensin levels. 29. Post-exercise recovery. Garlic water can help you recover faster and better after exercise by reducing your muscle soreness and inflammation and enhancing your muscle repair and growth. 30. Balanced cholesterol levels. Garlic water can help you balance your cholesterol levels and prevent or treat hypercholesterolemia by reducing your low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol, and increasing your high-density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol. 31. Enhanced mood. Garlic water can enhance your mood and prevent or treat depression by increasing your serotonin and dopamine levels and modulating your stress response. 32. Collateral benefits for diabetics. Garlic water can provide collateral benefits for diabetics by preventing or treating diabetic complications such as neuropathy, nephropathy, retinopathy, and cardiovascular disease. 33. Alleviation of asthma symptoms. Garlic water can alleviate your asthma symptoms and prevent or treat asthma attacks by dilating your bronchial tubes, reducing inflammation and mucus production, and improving your lung function. 34. Improved iron metabolism. Garlic water can improve your iron metabolism and prevent or treat iron deficiency anemia by increasing your iron absorption and utilization and enhancing your erythropoiesis. 35. Potential anti-aging effects. Garlic water can have potential anti-aging effects by protecting your DNA and telomeres from damage and shortening and activating your sirtuins and other longevity genes. 36. Adaptogenic properties. Garlic water can have adaptogenic properties by helping you adapt to various stressors and challenges and enhancing your resilience and vitality. 37. Versatile and easy to use. Garlic water is versatile and easy to use as you can make it at home with simple ingredients and consume it in various ways, such as drinking it plain, adding it to your soups, salads, or sauces, or using it as a mouthwash or a topical treatment. 38. Improved liver health. Garlic water can improve your liver health and prevent or treat liver diseases such as fatty liver, hepatitis, and cirrhosis by reducing liver inflammation and oxidative stress and enhancing liver detoxification and regeneration. 39. Prevention of kidney stones. Garlic water can help prevent the formation of kidney stones by inhibiting the crystallization of calcium oxalate and uric acid and increasing the urine volume and pH. 40. Protection against food poisoning. Garlic water can protect you from food poisoning by killing or inhibiting the growth of foodborne pathogens such as Escherichia coli, Salmonella, Staphylococcus aureus, and Clostridium botulinum. So, let's quickly cover how to make this potent elixir. Simply crush a few cloves of fresh garlic. Let them sit for about 10 minutes to maximize their health-promoting compounds, and then add them to a glass of lukewarm water. It's a straightforward addition to your routine with potentially profound effects on your health. So in conclusion, the power of garlic water when consumed daily can make a remarkable difference in your overall health and well-being. Remember, even small dietary changes can lead to significant improvements in your lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today on Health Basics. If you found this video informative and valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and guides. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.